Hello, literature lovers. Today we are going to talk about Bertolt Brecht. He was a German theater practitioner, playwright, and poet. Coming of age during the Weimar Republic, he had his first successes as a playwright in Munich and moved to Berlin in 1924, where he wrote the Three Penny Opera with Kurt Weill and began a lifelong collaboration with the composer Hans Elsler. Immersed in Marxist thought during this period, he wrote didactic Lestrack and became a leader theoretician of epic theater and the so-called V effect. During the Nazi period, he lived in exile, first in Scandinavia and during World War II in United States, where he survived by the FBI and subpoenaed by House of UN American Activities Committee. Returning to East Berlin after the war, he established the theater company Berliner Ensemble with his wife and longtime collaborator actress Helen Weigel. Brecht's widow, the actress Helen Weigel, continued to manage the Berliner Ensemble until her death in 1971. It was primarily devoted to performing Brecht's plays. Besides being an influential dramatist and poet, some scholars have stressed the significance of Brecht's original contributions in political and social philosophy. Brecht's collaborations with Kurt Weill have had some influence in rock music. The Alabama song, for example, originally published as a poem in Brecht's Hospostel and set to music by Weill in Mahogany, has been recorded by The Doors on their self-titled debut album, as well as by David Bowie and various other bands and performers since 1960s. Brecht's plays were a focus of the Skopje Frankfurt, where Harry Buckwitch was general manager, including the world premiere of Die Coste der Simon Marchand in 1957. Some of other works include Success, novel 1930, a play with Gunter Grass, where Brecht appears as the boss, releasing another version of Shakespeare's Colonicus. He appeared as the character in Christopher Hampton's play Tales from Hollywood, also in the novel Aesthetics of Resistance, 2000 movie being directed by him, many other movies, and also including historical novel Exile del Frankenfaun, works including fiction, plays including The Ball, Drums in the Night, The Beggar, and so on. That's all for today. Thanks for being part of it.